Good morning, children. Let us continue with the smallest and the greatest numbers. Let's revise quickly. Which is the smaller number? 5 butterflies, 4 birds. 5 or 4? It's 4. 6 cakes, 8 chocolates. 6 or 8? It's 6. Find out the bigger number. 6 mangoes, 7 oranges. 6 or 7? It's 7. 8 candies, 3 ice creams. 8 or 3? It's 8. Do you know numbers, children? Yes, all of us know numbers. Have you heard about one digit number? Okay, don't worry. I will tell you what are one digit numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are one digit numbers. Got it? Circle the smallest number. Look at the first example. 6, 7, 9, 2. Which is the smallest number here? To find out the smallest number, you have to count the numbers from 0 to 10. Let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, when you count numbers from 0 to 10, which number comes first? Yes, 2 comes first. So, 2 is the smallest number. Circle the smallest number here. Look at the next example. 8, 5, 1, 4. Which is the smallest number here? Exactly, 1 is the smallest number. Let's take another example. 6, 3, 4, 9. Which is the smallest number here? Yes, 3 is the smallest number. Let's circle 3. Take the greatest number. Look at the first example. 4, 7, 9, 6. Which is the greatest number here? You have to tick the greatest number. So, here 9 is the greatest number. Look at the next example. 8, 5, 3, 2. Which is the greatest number? Yes, you are right. 8 is the greatest number. Let's look at another example. 6, 2, 7, 1. Which is the greatest number? Wow! 7 is the greatest number. What are two-digit numbers? 10 to 99 are two-digit numbers. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Look at this. Sonu has 21 toffees and Rohit has 8 toffees. 21 is a two-digit number. 8 is a one-digit number. A two-digit number is always greater than one-digit number. Here in this example, Rohit has only 8 toffees, so 8 is the smallest number. Let us take another example. Sneha has 32 balls and Monu has 25 balls. Who has less number of balls? Monu has less number of balls, so 25 is the smallest number. Let us find out the greatest number. 62, 52, 43, 74. First, see the first digit in all the numbers. In 62, it is 6. In 52, it is 5. In 43, it is 4. In 74, it is 7. 7 is greater in all the four numbers. So, 74 is greatest. Which number is greatest? 82, 86, 81, 84. First see the first digit in all the four numbers. In 82, it is 8. In 86, it is 8. In 81, it is 8. In 84, it is 8. All four are same. Now see the second digit in all the numbers. In 82, it is 2. In 86, it is 6. In 81, it is 1. In 84, it is 4. So, 86 will be the greatest number in all the four numbers. Let us practice the numbers which I have already given in the classwork. Tick the greatest number. A two-digit number is always bigger than the one-digit number. Let us check. 9, 6, 12, 10. 9 and 6 are one-digit numbers. So, 9 and 6 cannot be the greatest number. You should check the two-digit numbers 12 and 10. The first digit in 12 is 1 and in 10 also 1. If the first digit is same in both the numbers, we should check the next digit. So in 12, 2 is the next digit and in 10, 0 is the next digit. Now, which is bigger, 2 or 0? 2. Yes. So, 12 is the greatest number. Let's take another example. 15, 23, 32, 38. So, in this example, in 15, 1 is the first digit. In 23, 2 is the first digit. And in 32 and 38, 3 is the first digit. So 3 is bigger than 1 and 2. So 15 and 23 cannot be the greatest numbers. Let us compare 32 and 38. In 32, the first digit is 3 and in 38 also first digit is 3. Now check the next digit. Here the next digit is 2 and in 38 the next digit is 8. 2 is greater or 8 is greater? Yes, 8 is greater than 2. So 38 is the greatest number. Now let's have a look at this example. 40, 51, 49, 50. So in this example, the first digit is 4 in 40 and in 51 the first digit is 5. In 49 the first digit is 4 and in 50 also the first digit is 5. So let us check which is the greatest number. As 4 is smaller than 5, 40 and 49 cannot be the greatest numbers. So let us compare 51 and 50. Here in 51 and 50 both the numbers are same in the first place. So let us check the next digit. Here 1 is the next number and 0 is the next number here. So 1 is greater than 0. 51 is the greatest number. Take the greatest number. Look at this example 74, 90, 88, 77. Children, you should tell me the greatest number for this example. Pause the video, think and tell the answer. Exactly, 90 is the greatest number. Circle the smallest number. Look at this example. 7, 27, 11, 19. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 7 is the smallest number because 7 is a one digit number. So, circle 7. Let's take another example. 24, 22, 70, 30. Which is the smallest number here? Let's check the first digit. 2, 2, 7, 3. 3 and 7 are greater number. So 30 and 70 are not the smallest numbers. Let us compare 24 and 22. In 24 and 22, the first digits are same. So compare the next digit. In 24, 4 is the next number and in 22, 2 is the next number. So which is the smallest number here? 2 or 4? Yes, 2 is the smallest number. So 22 is the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. Look at this example. 48, 14, 36, 32. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 14 is the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. Let's move on to the next example. 69, 73, 56, 98. So, in this example, the first digits are 6, 7, 5, 9. Which is the smallest number, children? 5. So, 56 is the smallest number. So children, homework is given in this page. Pause the video, copy down numbers in MREV book and do the homework. Thank you.